Warga Patisi TV.
Si phaugot ki repat bah ki wekhi ki layap ha jing santai kuli ki sipai bat ki pulit ha Pakistan occupied Kashmir na ki phaugot saungot ki bayap ki dei ha Bag district arngot ha Muzaffar bat saungot ha Mirpur ka Joint Awami Action Committee ka papelong ya kini gaji ki kala dawa ba sarkar kariban seu bailut kesan syaki bahiyang hasam jong ki bayap bat ka deiru pan aikam sarkar ya ki bahiyang hasam jong ki bat ka jing siu ka bak sarkar ka hapan siu ka deiban long kat jo kum bak siu syaki bahiyang hasam jong ki arngut ki ofisar pudet ki bayap ha ka jing ki ka ni ka jing ki Pakistan occupied Kashmir kalapur om tang ha kinong ba bahe jo ka Pakistan handai kalapur ru shabari ha ka ba ka Joint Awami Action Committee kalapan bana bala syai kesngi kan pelong da ka ki ka bahe ha London hakmat ka High Commission jong ka Pakistan hadir mu ki pulet bat ki sipai ki siap beliau ka sarkar Shehbaz Sharif kalapha shu sa sispangun ki sipai na nong ba Islamabad sya PoK namar ba ki pat ba ki lapan kre da ka ki ka ba khamshir khai shu ka ni ka diga sen ka ba ar ba ka Pakistan ka pen i da ka bor ki pat ba ki ba ki bat shwai ka ni ka lapan ham do bom bashna China u LS6 bom ha ka wekishnong ha Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province ha ka ba lai phongut ki breu ki layap bat bun ngot ki la mansa
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.